So, hello, brother Ram Krishnan. Ram Krishna. Am I
Yeah, it's
right?
Ram Krishna. Yeah, it's in English it's Ram Krishna. In Marathi it's Ram Krishna. Okay. Yeah, you can call me
Okay.
Ram.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, as everybody is, introducing themselves in a conversation video, so would you like to introduce yourself about for my
Yes,
viewers?
definitely. Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So, tell me
definitely. Yeah,
everything about.
I'm Ram Krishna Pattan and I'm from Kalyan, Maharashtra, which is nearby Mumbai. Okay, and I'm also a new YouTuber, right? I have also started uploading new videos on the conversation topic, and I also want to grow. I'm also having dreams, and
Hmm.
side by side, I'm doing other activities also. But right now, I can't disclose all those things. When my channel will
Okay.
get monetized, at that point of time, I will just disclose all those things. I'm
Hmm.
also having a channel called Always Positive Ram. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So what about your other activities? Tell me about your education, about your family, about your businesses or jobs. What you did?
Actually, I have done my graduation. Okay. And right now, I'm just doing those things, but still struggling, right? So right now, I can't disclose all those things. I'm having a family. My mom is there, and I'm having a beautiful wife, right? So family of three, and a small family.
Okay, that's good. That's good. And you are living together with your
Yeah, yeah.
mom,
We are just
your
living
spouse.
together.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
that's good thing.
yeah,
So you have done your graduation.
yeah.
Okay, okay, good. From which subject?
Actually, I'm engineer. Okay, I can just disclose that only.
Okay, okay,
You
okay.
can
That's
ask me some different questions. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So tell me about your English. Like I think in Maharashtra there is a local language, Kannad,
Marathi.
Karnataka, no,
No,
Marathi,
in
Marathi.
Marathi, it's, in Maharashtra it's Marathi, and in Karnataka it's Kannada.
Kannada. Okay,
Actually, I'm born in Karnataka and brought up in Maharashtra.
okay, that's good. That's good.
Mm.
So tell me, like, how did your journey started? I mean, English journey. So are you
Yeah, yeah.
speaking from your childhood?
No, no, no. Because I am also studied from. Actually, I'm born in Karnataka, but brought up in Maharashtra and studied in Marathi medium, vernacular medium. Right. So I was fluent in Marathi, Hindi, but not in English. Right. And when I went to this college, I was struggling a lot. It was quite confusing, and because of that, my confidence level was very down. Right. And I
Uh,
was not able to just communicate with people. Always used to think that okay, I won't be able to just make it. Okay, where I just want to just go, right? Because English is power, right now I am just speaking, but still I'm struggling. Lots of things just goes in my mind, right, while asking
mm,
the question, so while forming the question, right? So I have to just think, right? Because English is not a native language, right? Yeah,
definitely.
yeah, and because yeah, I'm from vernacular medium, so it will just take time. And yeah, from last 2 3 years after Corona, I'm just observing lots of people. They're posting videos and they're just improving day by day. 2 years back, when I was just watching that channel Try to Thrive, she was not able to speak properly. But right now, today, right, she has become really excellent. So practice, practice, and practice. They're keeping
Yeah.
practicing and uploading videos day by day, and because of that, they're just making really good progress. And my journey is
Mm.
also that, right? I'm not thinking about the what will happen in the future, but I want to upload a video every day so that okay, I can become more fluent in my English speaking journey.
Yeah,
And that
you're
is what
right.
I'm just thinking. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So 2 years before you started watching Rajni Verma. Two years or
Yeah.
1 year?
No,
Rajni, I
so
think, try to
still
thrive.
more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 2 years. I don't remember. I was just watching like Ashutosh Dwivedi channel,
Okay, when she
and there are
started.
multiple channels. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So from that time you started your English journey also, or before that?
Yeah. Yeah, before
Okay.
that, I was just going through lots of English speaking books, right? I had just joined some English speaking classes also, right? But they were just teaching you only theory, not practical approach how to speak, right? And
Mm-hmm.
there was the environment was not there, right? So yeah, we were just paying money and we were just learning something, and there was no one to practice actually, right? But after Corona, there lots of apps got just developed, and we are just getting environment to speak like Joe Stocks, Be Race. Such kind of apps are there. Ace Fluency is also there. So we can just connect
Mm.
people and we
Uh,
start just speak.
lot of applications in the market, like, and new
Yeah,
applications are also, coming.
yeah,
Everybody wants to, and this is the big, big thing. Like when I started learning English, that time I was not thinking that, like, how much this is, how much people are want to eagerly want to learn this language. But now I'm watching, I'm seeing a lot of people are there, they
yeah,
want to
yeah, definitely.
speak English. Hmm.
Yeah,
So this is the thing happening when we are just, sitting and thinking what will happen in the future. We can't predict the future, but when we go
yes,
for that time, eventually, we ultimately we get the things that, oh wow, that this thing happened. And this
yes,
is also happening with YouTube journey. If somebody, wants to start their YouTube journey, you just start, you just put content, and after some time or some days or some months, you eventually get the things, all things that you, oh, I did. And don't think about
yeah,
your content like, oh, you are making good content or bad content, you should provide quality content. No, you just started. So this, this is the time when you just put content and feel comfortable
yes,
in the
yeah,
in the
definitely.
process. You get the right word. Oh yeah, I should, improve myself here. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's the
yes,
thing.
definitely. Yeah, in the initial stage, I'm also making mistakes, right? I'm also learning from my mistakes. Sometimes I get stuck. Sometimes I ask the same questions in a different way. Okay, try to convey myself. Sometimes the person doesn't understand, right? So it happens, and it is a process. It will definitely happen. But step by step, you will start uploading a video every day or 2 days or 3 days. Definitely, you will get more confidence. You will understand how to create a question, right? How to ask in a much better way, right? All those things, it will take time, right? It won't happen in a day, right? First of
Mhm.
all, okay, right now I'm just facing the camera, and when that consciousness should be there, right? That person, how do I look, and how is my background and everything, right now. So whatever resources I am having, right, I'm
And
just doing with a very
that's the
small things. Yeah,
people are very insecure with their looks and with their background, with their, stuff. And this
yeah,
is the thing which is stopping a lot of people. When I started
yes,
that
yes,
time, I used to do these things, but
mm,
when I did a lot of things, that time I ended up with this thing that, yes, it doesn't matter. Background doesn't matter, your confidence matter, your passion matter, like how much passionate you are. And
yeah,
if you don't, sometimes I'm also feeling not good with my English. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? But when I pushing myself, when I push myself to speak, no matter what will happen, you will make mistakes, you will, not make mistakes, but you speak. This would be more
yes, yes,
better. And also,
yes,
what, like, if you want to improve your English, that time I would like to tell you something. And this is like, try to use your hands more and more. I'm using a lot of, lot of things. And when we are indulging, or, forcing our body to speak like this, that time we can easily get the right word.
yes, yes, definitely.
uh,
Yeah, your body
and
language should be there. Your gestures are really
because
important, okay, while just
that's
making the communication.
because our whole body, I mean, connected to the thought or topic that you would like
Yes,
to tell. This is the
yes,
thing.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a mind-body connection, and because of that, you are able to speak much better, right? When you use, otherwise, when you just sit like this, right? You are not able to just think, or you are not able to just talk. Yeah. So yeah,
Mm.
your gestures are really important while just talking.
Gestures are
That's what I
important.
also
Yeah.
feel. Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me about when did you get married? When did you get married? It's the right word. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, yeah. I just got married around 3 years back.
Three
Yeah,
years
after this
after
Corona.
your education. I mean graduation or in
No,
your
no, no.
graduation.
Just 3 years back. Actually, it's very long back when I just got graduated. I just tried multiple things, but nothing was working. So I don't want to go because lots of negative stuff is there, and I don't want to reveal all those negativity because I have just created a channel called Always Positive Ram, right? And I don't want to just reveal all those negative stuff here, right? Because some people want
Okay.
this,
So
they just tell their story negatively, right? And they try to get people more subscribers by telling their story and by expressing their feelings that I did this, I did that, and I don't want to just do that, right? I just want
okay.
to spread happiness and I want to just show only the happy things, right? And I always say that focus on only good things, right? Not about the
Mm.
negativity, what is happening. Even
Yeah.
after this, I just got married, and after within the 2 months, I just got admitted because of the corona, say in second wave, right? Then I have also just struggled a lot through that, all those things. Yeah, but by God's grace, I'm just still, I'm just talking with
Good.
you right now. Yeah. So lots of struggle, right? I've just gone through lots of side effects happen because of those medicines, because those doses were very heavy, right? And because of that, I have suffered a lot. And right now, just I'm
Hmm.
okay. Yeah, I'm just again standing on my feet and I'm just talking.
It's a process, like just start your life again. And what do
Yeah.
you think, like your struggles or suffered a lot about with your problems, your life problems? What do you think about what is the success, like how we can be more happy with our life?
Yeah. See,
Yeah, maybe you
you
find
have
something.
Yeah, so if you have to be happy, then you have to just speak completely, just always focus on the positive things in the life. Even if any negative situation happens, you have to just find out what is positive in that, right? If you just keep on crying, okay, one day you can cry, for next day in the morning again, yeah, the sun rises again, right? Every day it will just set down, it will set down, and then again it will just rise again. So you have to be positive that the tomorrow is there, no? So we have to just think positive, and
Mhm.
that with that mindset only you have to just go ahead.
Yeah, and also some idea is popping up in my mind that when you want to be happy, you have to take responsibility about your life. Sometimes we don't
Mhm.
want to do something in our life, and
No,
this
you have to take
that.
100% responsibility, 100% responsibility of your life. That is really important.
Yeah.
If you don't take responsibility, then you will just keep on blaming others that we have done this, we have done that. But when you think that I'm 100% responsible, then you stop blaming others, right?
Mm.
Yeah, that is the key. When you stop blaming others, then you will start thinking that where I just went wrong, what wrong decisions I have just taken, what I can do much better, right? Because when you blame others, the focus is on completely on that those people, right? You are not focusing on yourself, right? But when you take responsibility, right, you start focusing on yourself. You just think that how can I improve, right? How can I just do better, right? That is what you can just do.
You are right, actually, you are right. And everybody has their own struggle of bad things of their life, and life is
Yeah.
not that much easy that we think, but we have to, I mean, pretend yourself like as a, like, yes, life is easy. I can easily,
Yeah.
defeat all problems. I can,
Mm-hmm.
I can win in life.
Yeah.
So this is the right mindset. Sometimes, what, last year when I was doing a job, I was very, depressed about life, what I'll do in future. I'm not, even I was making good amount of money at that time. But if you are doing something that you don't like, being a teacher was very hectic for me. Like I found it,
Okay.
because teaching students who even don't want to study. Okay, they are
Okay.
also, they don't want to study, but they
So
are forcing by.
how did you landed into that job?
Actually, before that, I was doing a job as a HR, and
HR. Okay.
yeah, I I thought that I should go for it to explore
Mm-hmm.
what is teaching
Mm-hmm.
life, but
Mm-hmm.
that's not what's wrong with my mic. I mean, speak. Now it's
Yeah.
good.
Even
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Now it's good, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I was there, just to explore teaching life, like what a teacher's feeling and how they are, taking students. So I
Mm-hmm.
got this job, and I start doing this job.
So,
But
on what experience did you get the job? Right? Are you
one
holding a
experience,
B.Ed or D.Ed kind of degree for that thing?
yeah, just communication skills. I Because when I was in a HR industry, I was an HR in a company. That time I was teaching students soft skills, like how to communicate.
Okay.
But that time I was teaching in Hindi, so I used to
Okay.
teach in Hindi, like how to communicate, how to crack your interview. So I had this, I'm having this skill, like how to communicate,
Mm-hmm.
not
Okay.
in English right now, but that time I was in Hindi. So someone
Yeah.
at school called me, that was a local school, okay, in
Mm-hmm.
my village, in my, not in a village, like town, I can say town, in my town. So I got this job and I start doing, but within a 2 months I got frustrated, because the syllabus was also pending at that time, because I
Okay.
went there around in end of September, and
Okay.
session starts around July. So
Mm-hmm.
that was short time period, and that was so hectic. But when we depressed, we learn a lot of things. Why I'm
Yes,
depressed, like
definitely.
what the things. So I used to write a lot of things, like why I'm facing these things. Even I choose this thing. and why
Mhm.
I choose, I have chosen this thing. But we learn a lot of things through our struggles, through our bad things. So yeah, just go for it. Life is all about learning, but don't
Yeah,
pressurize too much. I was
yeah,
pressurized or I was depressed, that's why I quit that job. No, I don't want to do job like
mhm.
this, so I quit that. So
Yeah,
control,
but sometimes,
always.
under pressure only diamonds get created. So pressure is also important. If there is no pressure, no, so people
Hmm.
take it lightly, right? And they don't
But
just
what
work hard.
pressure? What pressure, bro? Like it's not mental pressure. Mental pressure is not that much,
Mhm.
good. Pressure with your work, it's like by your work, you have to do. Take it as a responsibility. Having a lot of responsibility, in ourselves, on ourselves, it would be better. But not
Yeah,
pressure. Like mental pressure is always,
yeah.
uh, you know, going to harm you. So
And
take responsibility.
you must love your work also. Okay, then you don't feel
Yeah.
that pressure. If you don't love your work, and if pressure is also there, then you get depressed and you won't be able to just
Yeah.
give you 100%.
And now you know what? I'm making good amount of money just by sitting in my bedroom. Same thing. I'm taking
Yeah.
sessions, but by
It's your hard work, bro. It's your hard work. From last week was you are just doing your best, and you have just tried multiple
yeah.
times also. You have
And
failed again, just got up, right? You are not giving up, so that's really important. Not giving up is really important, right? You have to try multiple things. If this is not working, at least you try something else. But if you give up, then nothing is working. Then nothing is going to happen. And same thing is happening in my life also. So I'm also doing the same thing. Okay, so let's see
yeah.
how it will end.
And also, apart from all these stuff like YouTube, paid sessions, I'm practicing my English also. Right now,
Wow.
I'm focusing to get the accent, like American accent, how I can, speak in that way. But whenever I'm having conversations with Indian people or, people from India, that time I can't, speak in that way because the person in front of me was feeling not uncomfortable. So I'm thinking about it. But you know what, like I'm telling you, like we have to, focus about it. We have to, get the idea or keep the idea that yes, you are here to improve your English, not to
Yes.
teach people, not to make, videos or, make money. So your main work is English. So always try
Yeah.
to improve or enhance your English
Yes,
language.
definitely. Yes.
So this
Yes.
thing is
And we
always,
can,
I'm
yeah,
telling
while
you.
just talking, we can just catch, okay, some new words, some new vocabulary, right?
Yeah.
New idioms from the other person. So, yeah,
Mm.
step by step, we have to just keep on incorporating all those things into our videos. And definitely we will improve much better.
Yeah, that's the thing. And it was great session. Yeah, you are such a wonderful person, and definitely you will get the good results on your YouTube. And all the
Yes.
viewers
Thanks.
who's
Thanks.
watching me right now and watching us right now, just subscribe brother's channel. I'll mention his channel's link in the description. So go on a description and hit the subscribe button, and also
Yeah.
hit
Thanks.
my hit
Thanks.
the subscribe
Thanks.
button. Right? Yeah.
Yeah. Same.
Okay, brother.
Yeah. I will
We'll,
also subscribe to your channel and thanks for
yeah,
giving
it's
me your
okay.
valuable time. Yeah.
Yeah, and also, I'm telling to all people, if you don't feeling good with my content, why you are, subscribing? So make sure
Mhm.
you are also enjoying the process, enjoying the videos. So, and you can, all the viewers can give us, I mean, write things like where we are lacking, where we should improve in the comment box. So in this way,
Yeah.
we will improve more. Okay, it was
And
great session, brother.
yeah,
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 tell.
you are having a really beautiful, charming personality, and you use your body language also, and that was
Yep.
really great. I mean,
Yeah, because it's a process. I did a lot of things. When I started that time,
yeah,
I was very shy and very, underconfident person. In my school days,
yes,
in my college days, I used to be underconfident person. But I did a lot of things. I used to speak in front of mirror a lot of times for 2 hours. It's amazing
yeah.
2 hours. Yeah. So that's the thing. Put
Thanks,
efforts.
thanks for giving me valuable time. Thanks.
Okay, bro.
Yeah,
Okay. Bye.
let's end us.